Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a home decor haul. Actually, today's video is going to be a little bit of a mashup. I'm going to do a home decor haul, and this isn't fall home decor. I know you guys have been loving the fall videos. This is year-round decor that I have used to decorate and furnish my living room in my new house, because this is the only room in the entire house that is even partially done. Every other room, my dining room, the bedrooms, the bathrooms, even my kitchen, there's nothing done. And the living room is still a work in progress, but I have some new stuff to show you. So I'm actually going to take you around and just show you how I'm using it. That way it'll give you a better idea and better inspiration if you maybe want to pick up some of these same items or similar items. And also, some of the things are just too big for me to sit in front of the camera and show you guys, so it's better this way. Also, a lot of you have been requesting to see what I've done in the house, and as I already mentioned, my living room is the only room that's semi-decorated, and I don't even feel like it's even 50% of the way done. But to kind of tie you guys over until we get more done in the house, I thought I could also just sort of make this a tour of what we've done so far in my living room. And I'm also going to show you the one renovation we've done in this house, which is put new flooring in the living room, which I kind of talked about in my empty house tour. A lot of you gave me your input because I thought my flooring was discontinued, the flooring that's in my kitchen, that we wanted to continue into our living room, because I'm sitting in the eat-in portion between my kitchen and my living room right now. And yeah, so I'm going to show you what we went with. So if you're interested in all of that, then just keep watching. Okay, you guys, we are in my eat-in kitchen. This is where I was sitting, and this is the view of the living room. I guess first I'll talk about the floors. As you can see, we have these gorgeous kind of gray barnwood colored wood floors. These are actually laminate wood. They're not real hardwood. And we probably would not have gone, well, we definitely would not have gone with real hardwood. But the reason why we picked these floors, if you watch my empty house tour, is because my kitchen has these same floors. So I'm gonna spin you guys around. Hopefully that doesn't make you dizzy. Here's my kitchen with the floors. And I had mentioned in my empty house tour that we wanted to rip the carpeting out that was in my living room, but we didn't know what to do because we thought that the kitchen floors were discontinued, and they actually were not. They were just a Sam's Club brand. So I'll leave the information for these floors in the description box below in case you're considering putting new flooring in. And yeah, we really like them. And we just purchased them pretty affordably from Sam's Club, like I said, and then we hired somebody to put them in because Sam's Club does not have like an install service. You have to either do it yourself or hire somebody outside of Sam's Club. So let me back up and give you like a pan around of the room. Okay, so the first thing that I want to haul for you guys is this really pretty rug that we have here. This is probably what's considered too small for our space, and that is on purpose. We did not want to cover up our new floors, but we knew we needed a rug, so we went with a smaller rug. I think this is, I want to say it was 6x9, which was kind of a weird size. I don't know that I've ever seen a 6x9 rug. But this is the exact rug that I wanted. After we got our floors put in, they ended up being a lot more than we anticipated. And so I was bummed out, thinking I was gonna have to hold off on purchasing the rug that I wanted, because I knew I wanted a high quality rug. I didn't wanna have to replace it after a year. So I took to Facebook and I looked on the marketplace to see if anybody had like a gently used wool rug for sale that I would like. And I actually saw this exact rug. I messaged the girl and she had already sold it, and I was bummed. But Jose was like, let's just go to Home Goods and see what they have. I wasn't expecting to find anything, but I found the exact rug that I was trying to buy, and it was actually cheaper at HomeGoods. This was like $130, so I'm obsessed. It is wool. It does shed a little bit around the edges, but nothing too major. It's kind of like, if you can see, it's kind of like gray in between and then a cream color raised up. So we're really happy with this rug, and like I said, it's exactly what I wanted. It's just so funny how life works out sometimes. So the next item that I want to share with you guys is this lamp right here. This was a Target purchase, and this is pretty much exactly what I wanted as well. It is just like a simple industrial style. It's minimalistic, but it's also feminine and pretty, because I'll get up close, but the shade, which is just a glass cloche, has these bubbles in it that give it a little bit of sparkle. And I believe this was $80 from Target. It also came in gold, which was gorgeous, but I don't really use gold in my decor, so I went with the black, and of course I can always spray paint the black one day if I would want to. But I'm going to turn it off and then get up close so I can show you the cloche. So it turns off like that. And as you can see, I don't know if it'll focus. Yeah, there we go. It has these bubbles in it. This needs dusted, so if you see dust, know that real people live here, and I don't dust every single day, so. That's what it looks like. You do have to get like a special light bulb, and the light bulbs are kind of expensive. I think it's like $14 for 2 of them, but okay, so now moving over, I did get a couple questions about this ladder here, and this is also new. It is a blanket ladder, as you can see, and this came from Houzz.com, Houzz.com, and this is an actual reclaimed wood ladder. I want to say this was about $35. It's 5 feet tall, and it's reclaimed wood, so if I can link it below, I will try to. I'm going to try to link everything I can. But since it's reclaimed wood, I would imagine that no two are the exact same. And like, let me get up close and show you. There are knots and dents and holes and stuff in the wood. It actually has left some marks on my wall that I need to fix, and possibly put like some kind of backing on the back of it so it doesn't do that anymore. But I do love the look of this ladder. And the only other thing I will say about it is I have some blankets on it right now, but since it is reclaimed wood, it's not super smooth, and I think your blankets probably have the potential to snag. But these are 2 blankets that are snagged and kind of dingy anyways, so I put them on there and I'm not really concerned about it. Over here, by the way, these are the Dollar Tree cotton stems. Don't those look really good? Let me get up close and show you. They're really nice. This one right here was stained. I don't really know why, but I think it kind of just makes it look more natural. And these letters, by the way, are from Steinmart. In case you were wondering, I have not hauled those because they were a gift. But moving over to my TV console over here, I got these 2 candlesticks and the larger one that is over here. I'll get a close-up of that one from Amazon in a set of 3 for $24. They are gorgeous. Let me get up close. They are real glass and they're very delicate, so beware of that. And I know that the candles I have on there are too small. They're just ones that I already had on hand. So I will be on the market to get some larger, probably a Luminara ones, but we'll see. And then this is the larger one. I can probably pick this up and bring it over there so you can see what they all look like together. that's what they look like together. I think it would be really pretty. I might get another set to put just like 3 on each side because I'm very symmetrical, but since I only got one, I kind of like put this little Dollar Tree votive holder there, and then I put one over here too to kind of tie them together, and the taller one. Another thing that I recently purchased is this Capri Blue Mercury Glass Hexagon Pillar Candle in the scent Volcano, which is my favorite like foodie scent. This is like my favorite summer scent, and it's so gorgeous when it's lit. This is a luxury candle. It's pretty pricey, but I think it's well worth it because it's like a decor piece and it smells so good. It's like a definite year-round scent. It's a sugary lemon scent, and I buy mine off of Amazon because you get free shipping, but you can get them from the Capri Blue website, and this fragrance is carried at like Anthropologie and Nordstrom in different size jars and different packaging if you're interested. Okay, so moving over, I think the last thing that I have to share with you is on my coffee table, which, by the way, if you're interested in any of the furniture in this room, I did do a haul of all of it because it's all new. So I'll link that below if you're wondering about my couch or my coffee table or anything like that. So here's what I have on my coffee table right now. This tray is a little bit too small, but I haven't gotten around to getting a bigger one. But what I wanted to show you are these coasters that I picked up. I love these. They are real marble and they have the silver around the edges. You used to be able to pick these up from like Home Goods. I haven't seen them there in a while, so I got them off of Amazon, and they're super thick. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's way thicker than like a regular coaster, like a regular marble coaster, so I am loving those. So yeah, that's the room. If you have questions about anything that I didn't talk about, where it's from, let me know and I would be happy to answer for you guys. So I'll do one more pan around of the room and then I'll let you go. So that is it for this tour and haul and reno update. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not already. And if you haven't hit that little bell notification, please go ahead and hit that. Otherwise, YouTube will most likely not notify you when a new video is going up, even if you're subscribed. There are some of my favorite YouTubers that I was like, where have they been? And then I went to their channel and I realized they have been uploading videos, but YouTube isn't notifying me. So I'm hitting the bell on all of my favorites because I don't want to miss their videos. So if you don't want to miss mine, hit that bell. And I want to say a humongous thank you for spending a little bit of time with me today. I know you could be doing anything else that you want, but you came and watched this video and I so appreciate it. And I hope to see you back in my next one. Bye guys.